Alright, let's start the ball game. First game. First game natin for today. PGM Point Guard Mentality versus Ace Bowlers. Ito ang first game ng both teams sa liga natin. So good luck both teams.
Game pa lang yan sila. Dami na lang
And
ulit.
sa lahat, let's play first before we start.
Hello?
Ewan. Ay, Ray. Wala. Hello, God.
Bakit?
Na-score na, wala na so good.
Nice score.
Ewan. Sakto, 5.
Ganit.
Morning, Ren.
Alright, let's go. Let's play our first game. PGM versus Ace Bowlers. First try, pass it.
Takin.
Right, coaches. Real lang, coach. Sa table po. Dali lang. Let's go. Let's start our board game. Ace Bowlers versus PGM. First game ng both teams. Sino mag-goal? Sino una mag-uwi ng panalo? Okay, stock in. Para iwas tayo sa tuwang mga penalties. Katong mga kuya.
Ito.
Let's go! Wala lang. PGM, steal, tackle. Tackle, pass to jersey number 3, Aguilar. Aguilar, no good. Rebound by PGM.
Wala, balik.
That's 2 points for Mr. Bauer. One PGM. Mungkin bukan Bakaria. Bakaria lagi. Mr. Bray, kata amat no good. Bukan Bauer. Bauer. Mr. Tato got 2 points for 8 goals. Last 7 and 3 seconds for first quarter. PGM. Bola, time to shoot. No good again. Bukan rebound. Bauer. Bauer, katahan ng bola. 5 sets. 2 points for Mr. Bauer.
Palamaw eh.
Last 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Perfect. That's your first basket for PGM. Lagahi. Tackle, kataka mag-press. No good. Huwag ka rebound. Watagat na rebound. Bola ng PGM. Ito na busok.
Ano yun?
Out of bounds.
Huwag pa ipong.
Substitution ref. Bola ng ace ball. Kabila. Kita ka ma-press for this. There's an N1 play. For Mr. Tackle. Yahoo, the first personal foul, first team foul for PGM. Tackle no goal. Malayo. Position number 2, 13, Gonzalez. Sila sulayap, pabalang sila, that's good for position number 13. Kabila. Nagtaka mag-press. Bumanda. Ang last ng awa ko, idol. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Gonzalez, umingot. There's a foul, there's foul left. Racing number 24. Foul, that's your first personal foul. For ace ball. For team to shoot. Pangalayo. Substitution number 21. Sa Pangalayo, ang gandang 1-2. Pass for PGM. Aguilar. Bauer. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Bauer. Black. That's a new black by Wata. 14 to shoot. Last 4 and 15. Aguilar. 10 to shoot. Tayo. Black then. Wala ng PGM. Pasuwa. So, number 13. Steal. So, Aguilar. Aguilar, magkakamag-press. That's good for Mr. Aguilar. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. That's good, that's good. Remember, number 15, the word. First player, that's good for position number 7. Ayan, last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Closer. Very good. Here's a rebound. Here's a position number 20. Very good. Katagan. Pass to Bauer. Bauer, ito na mag-press. Very good. There's a foul. That's a foul for position number 22. Ang ball. Makaral. Handle the ball well. Bola ngayon na Ace Bullets. Bola ngayon na PGN. Bata. Sa Bacarayo. Bacarayo. Sa kanya ka rin. No good. Bola ka ng PGN. No good. Wata. Sana. Mr. Wata, jersey number 7. Those brothers, Pilot, Kagalan,
Venga.
no good, Wata Gagawita.
Oh, kanina. Yun lang.
Wata Gagawita, ang laki ng Wata. Kulang, goal, ang ganda naman ang foot. Open lead by Ace Bullets. Bauer, Bauer, lutad. No good, sa kanya pa rin. No good, scoop. Ganda ng mga naman doon for Mr. Wata. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Wata, kulang, goal. No good. Wala ka ng BGM. So, 3 to shoot. No good again. Wala ka ng Wata. Isa ka Wata. Ilang pumasok. Takal. Kasunod. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Wata ka na rin doon. Goal to foul. First foul left.
Sayang.
Jersey number 44. Takal, substitution left.
Ay, sorry.
Labas ang lalabas. Pasok po ang papasok. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Seven to play. There's a foul. Jersey number 10. Makaray, that's your first personal foul, second team foul. Last 45 seconds to play. What's on the corner? Two, Aguilar. Aguilar. Time to collect out of bounds. To shoot 30 seconds. Bauer. Orgullo, batalla Kalimba. Last 20. Pakaraya. Last 10 seconds. Aguilar. Floater. Last time.
Ganda na lang niya. Ikaw.
Vamos, vamos a meter aquí. Vamos a bola. Aguilar. Gusto Aguilar. Tentang atas. Good. Pick up. Good correct. Ball it. Just put it up. There's a foul. First foul left. First foul. Second foul. That's good to Bauer. Pasok na sana. Pasok. Yamas ang alaba.
May naabot isa.
Bola na yung PGM. Tackle. Dan tuloy at Gabriel. Put back, Gabriel. Bola na PGM. Ibang pagbusin ng PGM. Bauer. So tackle. That's good. Sayang. Back to the ball game. Bola ngayon ng PGM. Tahan natin 21-12. Ito na rin. Sige sa 21. Sige na rin. Ganda pa ka naman. Nag-room ka rin. Pag sa foul. He's fouled up.
Counted.
That's a defensive interference. Bola ngayon na. Bola. That's a counter.
Counted 14.
Aguilar. Ikata babasahan. Patato. Tato nagtangkang ng press. That's good for position number 44. Last 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Bola na yan. That's good for position number 41. Babang tira. Aguilar. Ikanilla. Jason Gray. Ang ganda pasa. Pull up, Gray. No good. Bawi na. Tata na lagi. Mr. 16. Mr. Hyatt. Tapos po sa bra. Tasok ang kapasok. Tapos ang lalabas.
Arios.
And here for last 5 and 10. for the line again. 8 bowlers. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Silo, Aguilar. Casino. Silo. Hindi pa nakakatakbo. Jersey number 21 can't handle it. Bola ng PGM. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Make a break. Back to Jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Closer. No good. Bawal na balita. Oh yeah. Offensive foul ang tinawag referee natin. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 24, Bowie, the first second personal foul. PG. There's a foul. Aguilar. First personal foul, second team foul for 8 brothers. Jersey number 8. Basilo. There's an end one play for jersey number 24, Bowie. Quintanilla, that's your first personal foul. Substitution ref. Montiel, gone. Makayo. Substitution number 21. Nagtatapag-press. No good, do not about it. There's a foul, there's foul left. Jersey number 20. Quintanilla, that's your second personal foul. 13 foul for PGM. Tackle. No good. Hindi ang ball. Sa Makarayo. Makarayo, dapat ako saan. Hindi pa nung pag-iwan, that's good. Silo. Tackle. Magula. Nakamak-press. No good. Hindi pa rin. Makarayo. Makarayo, nagtahan ng bola.